welcome to the garage. Well, we're in the truck sitting right outside the garage. Anyways, we're at the garage. Haven't been that active on social media or YouTube as myself, my wife, my kids, we all we got that virus going around, and we are finally starting to recover. I think I've got enough energy today that I got to work on my wife's 2019 F150. There's a little bit of an issue with the taillights, and we got to get them fixed so that when she's driving around, this doesn't happen. Normal, right? So any car guy knows that fast clicking is a burnt out bulb, which is absolutely the case. There's a burnt out bulb, and I'm going to show you how to change that said bulb, and or we're going to go one step further because there's actually a hole in the taillight of the truck. I'll show you when we get out. And so instead of trying to repair it, I actually just got some new taillights for her truck, which are fully LED. They're meant for the non-LED taillights that have the reverse backup sensors and all that stuff in them. So just the generic taillights that are going to work, but these ones are LED compared to the halogen ones that are currently in the truck. So here we go. Let's get these opened up. This is a full replacement assembly, so it's going to be fairly straightforward. We can see we got the wiring and the boxes for the actual LED systems. We got the standard plug-in, and we got some chrome tinted LED taillights. So the bottom and top brake lights are LEDs. The center one was a normal bulb for the reverse. I changed it out to an LED as well. I figured if it's all going to be LED, we might as well change them all. And also this outline red strip is also going to be lit up for the running lights. So I think these are going to look really good on Billie Jean. So let's get them swapped over and see what they look like. So these taillights are for a 2019 F150. I did order them from eBay. I'll put a link in the description down below. I ordered them because the actual factory taillights were $1,200 a piece, and that was outrageous. These were $400 shipped to the door, and now the truck's going to be all LED, so I'm looking forward to getting these installed. So let's get the old ones out and the new ones put back in. So the first thing you're going to want to do is take out this top bolt and the bottom bolt. They're both 8mm. It's just in case if anyone's wondering. So let's get these bolts out. Sorry for the wind noise. If it is too bothersome, we have to do this outside the garage because obviously the garage is full of cars. Now that you got the bolts out, just the whole tail light is going to want to pull backwards. Now you're going to want to undo this clip for this wiring harness. If you're only changing the bulbs, all you have to do is twist this socket out and pull it out. This is a 3157. This is the culprit that is actually broken, and if we just wanted the taillights to stop clicking, this is the bulb we would change. To get this wiring harness apart, there's a little tab in here. You're going to want to push push up inside there and pull your clip apart. Now we got the whole assembly out. You can see right here, I covered it with some red tape, but there's actually a hole in this taillight housing. So now we just have to figure out where we are going to stick these. I'm thinking maybe up in behind this piece here. Stick it up there, and then we will tie wrap the wiring together. That's about the best solution that I can come up with. If you got something better, go for it. Take advantage of it. And the plug was straightforward. You just plug it back in. So let's get these stuck up there, wired up, and then we will test the one taillight and we'll look at the differences. Just like I said, I tie wrap the wire against the other taillight wiring, and I stuck the boxes up underneath this little cubby hole. And then now, to get the new taillight back in, we're just going to put the wiring in here, push your taillight forward, and then reinstall the bolts. There we go. Fancy new taillights have been installed. Now, let's just make sure they work. Okay, first things first, let's lock the truck. Unlock the truck. You can see on the old lights, the actual lamps stay lit, and on the new lights, that ring stays lit up. That is, I'm not gonna lie, that is so freaking cool. That looks incredible. Let's see the differences on the lights now. The hazards. Now let's do the backup lights. What a difference, man. What a great upgrade. There we go, that's very simple, quick taillight change. You can also do just the bulb change like I said. The top one, the bottom one are your brake lights, the middle one is your reverse bulb. You just locate the one that's burnt out, twist the plug, it pulls out. 3157 for the brake light and signal light. And for the reverse bulb, I'll have to double check. I think it was an 1144, but I will double check on the number and I will put it up on the screen as I did the research while editing the vlog. There we go, taillights have been changed. Next vlog we're going to be doing is Oxito sent us some headlights for Billie Jean. It's got the regular yellow halogens in there, and they asked if I would do a review and install video of their headlights. The reviews so far that I've found so far and just the overall product is pretty fantastic, so I'm excited to get these installed into Billie Jean. But they are going to be a later date, next vlog. So if you want to see how to change the headlights on your 2019 or same generation Ford F150, hit that subscribe button and we will show you how to change the headlights in that truck. So I'm looking forward to this. The headlights that are in there now are really poor, and because we do a lot of highway driving, especially at night, I want my wife to be safe. I know that there's going to be some people saying that the LED headlights are just way too bright and just make you blind coming the opposite way, but at the end of the day, it's also for the driver and my family's safety, because we've already hit a deer out on that highway. So we just want as much protection for the highway that we can. Hope you found today's vlog useful. If you're trying to change the taillights in your 2019, actually 2015 to 2021 Ford F150, I believe is what they're at. So thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Peace.